Step 5, we are going to work on those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead. So once again, I like using this side, and you're going to break up your forehead into 3 sections. You're going to do the middle, and then left, and then the right. So make sure to target all areas, okay? So you're going to go here and start around here, your eyebrows, and you're just going to go upwards again. Once again, not 90 degrees, but about 10 to 30 degrees against the skin. Upwards. Everything is upwards. So I usually do just about 5 in the middle, and then I'll move to the side, like here, do 5. And what you can also do is when you go up towards the hairline, you can stop and kind of wiggle it. That kind of just gives it an extra oomph to smooth out those lines. So there you have it. Can you tell a difference between my left side and my right side? This side we've done the gua sha, and this side we haven't. So I feel a difference. It feels more tight and toned and lifted. Most of my patients usually can see visually and feel the difference. So try these 5 steps, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. healingwithzen.com or 626-377-9596. We'd love to show you these moves in the office. We can do them on you, and we do provide facial gua sha at the office along with cosmetic acupuncture. We hope to see you soon.